Post Latch Industries is proud to acknowledge that our product is totally made by Canadians. Our product is a removable mullion, which was designed to eliminate the fasteners at the header. The mullion is removed in split seconds. We also developed a lockable mullion, along with a fire-rated version. All our mullions are wire accessible to allow power down to the electrical strikes. Along with that, we have developed a polymer base plate, eliminating the corrosion problem with metal base plates. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.